Hello everyone. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to do a HTV glitter HTV from Cricut, and I'm gonna do cut through layering in this design. And here I'm using scrap pieces, so I just tape them down. So the way I tape it, this is on purpose. Right here I'm gonna start cutting at 1 1. Right here I'm going to start cutting at 4 1. Right here I'm going to start cutting at 8 1. So this let me know that I can position it where on the mat to cut, and this way I don't have to use the snap mat, and I can do that on a computer instead of having to do that on a tablet. So let's go with the design. I'm just gonna use something simple. Let's use the shape and the heart. This one I'm gonna use it at 1.1. The reason why I'm doing that, because I'm gonna maximize the use of the scrap. So that's about 1.1 that I can cut in there without cutting right outside of it. I'm gonna duplicate. Gonna give it a different color for now so it's easier to see, and I'm gonna reduce the size to say 0.6. Let's try centering it, see how it looks like that. I'm gonna make another one. This one I'm gonna use it on 2 inches, and just gonna give it a different color for now, and I want to send it to back. Align, center. So this is my triple layer cut through design that I'm gonna try. Now to the mat. Notice how there are 2 smaller pieces and 1 bigger piece. For the bigger piece, I'm gonna duplicate, and I'm gonna put it at 8 1. Remember where the location is supposed to be, right here. Let's assume that this is on the mat, so I'm gonna put it there, attach. So this is the one that is gonna be cut on the bigger piece on this one. I'm gonna collapse that so it's easier to see. Let's put that away. And then this one, I don't need the bigger layer outside anymore. I just need to cut the smaller piece. I'm gonna duplicate, and this one is gonna be cut right around here. I'm gonna attach, and for this one, it was at 4 1. So we're gonna move it to 4. Attach. Let's hide that for now. I'm gonna put them all the same color so they stay in one mat. And I'm gonna attach again so they stay together. Now at this point we can go ahead and hit make it. Notice how it always automatically put your design all the way on top left here, you want to move it down here. So remember, I placed the vinyl pieces at 1 1, 4 1, and 8 1. Here's what it looks like. That's 1 1, 4 1, 8 1. Okay, now we go continue. We're gonna have to create our own custom cut since this is a cut through. So if you remember from previous video, this is where we go, material settings, and then we scroll all the way to the bottom, add new material, and I'm gonna name this Cut Through HTV Cricut Glitter. Save. Now it's your setting for if you want to cut through the Glitter HTV. It's a lot thicker than the regular one, so you want to cut it twice, and you want to change it to 285 pressure and save. And just click outside here just to close that. Now you go browse material, so this is the one I just created. Select that, cut through HTV Cricut Glitter, and then we go to the machine. Okay, now we're gonna feed it in the machine. And cut. Cutting his first pass right now. And now it's cutting the second time. Remember we added the cut to do twice. Done. Okay, now it's time to peel it off. Just remove the tape. Okay, let's separate it. I can right off with this. Just pop it off. And there's another piece in here. Same with this. Just pop it out. That's all the pieces. So here are all the pieces. Just gonna randomly pick another color, just stick it in there, flatten it. As you can see, it fits perfectly. And this one. This side up. Piece of tape. That'll hold it in place. So when you press it, it would or move it around, it would not move around. These ones, I can make 2 more. Add a piece of tape. To hold it in place. Same for this. All done. Now we have 3 different designs that you can use. Now I'm going to press the onesie. Like this. Just going to preheat it a little bit first. And because they are aligned like thicker pieces over here, so I'm going to put a piece of cloth underneath to raise where I want to press, so that when I press it, this won't affect it. That's right for the middle. Gonna press it. Fan it a little bit. This should be one peel. Peels right off because there are piece of tape on there. It actually kept the plastic together. Now put that back. After I remove the plastic, now I'm gonna seal it again. Press it one more time to seal it. Give it some pressure because this is glitter vinyl. It needs firm pressure. That's it, it's done. See? There's no gap in between. It's a perfect fit.